everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. Okay, so today's time I'm going to put my kitchen back together again. I'm just not going to put this one up yet because this one must come here against the wall here on top. Well, actually against the roof. I'm going to put it against up paste against the ceiling. So yeah, I'm not going to do that yet. And then maybe a dot or two glue against the wall here when I come to that. But I can already see it looks much better than the previous one, and I actually do like this a lot. So yeah, I'm not going to use this one yet, so I'm going to put this one aside, and then the rest of the stuff is lying here that I'm going to put up and all that stuff. So yeah, then let's get started. I am so happy with how this kitchen turned out. I'm so glad I gave it, the cabinets, a makeover. It looks much neater and nicer for me now. And yeah, that cardboard thing is not for me. I will put cardboard where you can't see it. Like, for instance, I said previously I'm going to put balsa wood here, and I'm going to darken the balsa wood, but I thought to myself, it's not really necessary to do that, because there is white cabinets in here as well. And so yeah, that's why I just use a piece of cardboard. I painted on one side. I actually forgot about the other side, so that's why I just put a little of the wallpaper somewhere on the inside for the bits that will show, and then just round it off with that bamboo sticks of that placemat of mine. So I think it looks actually perfect. So it will fit, so it fits in nicely with this cabinet here. Now it looks the same as that one there, and then the glass and the glass door. I'm so chuffed with this little cabinet I made here in the corner. And yeah, with that little rack, it's perfect. Just when I tried to sort of spray paint this as well, but then that sticky paper called up, so but I fixed that problem with some white ice cream stick I had. So yeah, now that's perfect there. So you won't really see it when the ceiling is up one day, I hope soon. So yeah, and then yeah, for this cabinet, I desperately want to put this cabinet on the wall here, but I've got an idea. That's why this magnet is lying here, but I will keep that for the next video. So yeah, like I say, I am really proud of my kitchen. So now I can move in. So that was also for the next video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, push that subscribe button, and you will get the little bell for notifications, and you will see when I upload my next video on finishing my kitchen, because I think the next video is then I'm finished with the kitchen, because I want to start with the bathroom next. So yeah, that's all for now. So bye.